Hey, Namaste. I'm trying to bring up some beginner starter meditation, which is guided meditation. By doing this 10 minutes, 15 minutes meditation, you can relax your mind and body. Guided meditation, setting yourself. How to live in present moment. Living the present moment, what is that advantage you will get? By observing the silence and observing the present moment, your observation skill improve and you able to analyze the situations and you find an opportunity and find the solution. So living this moment and present is always living, which is fulfillment and which is completion of the life. Living this moment is called living life. Welcome to the present moment. Before we begin, remind yourself that this time is for you and you alone. This time is for you and you alone. Allow no distraction, no worries, and not to do list to interface with your time. Again, I repeat, before we begin, remind yourself that this time is for you and you alone. Allow no distraction, no worries, and no to do list to interface with your time. Take a moment to make yourself comfortable where you are. Maybe straighten your back or trace gentle circle with the nose. Relaxing your relaxing your neck. Once you have reached the place of stillness, begin to deepen your breath. In through the nose, out through the mouth. Inhale through the nose and exhale through the mouth. Again, repeat. Take a moment to make yourself comfortable where you are. Take a deep breath. Inhale through your nose, exhale through your mouth. Turn your awareness to the ground and sit firm, strong as you continue to breathe. Travel from the crown chakra to the head down. Feel the crown grow, glowing light like a feather, and then carry on down. The forehead, the mouth. Feel the rib, loose the float upwards as you breathe. It becomes harder and harder to keep yourself to the ground. As your free upper body pulls you upwards, resist it as you travel on down through the arm and belly. When you reach your hip, visualize two tight locks begin to unscrew themselves. On the count of three, breast open. 1, 2, and then 3. Go through the rest of your body and gently release it. Thighs, keen, all the way down to the feet. Mental countdown from the big toe to the pinky. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Feel that pinky loosen and let go. You are free. Welcome to the present moment. Take a deep breath. Say, I thank myself being here. I thank Reiki Prapancha Shakti being here. I thank my Reiki master, Guru Devi Seshatri being here. I thank people who are directly or indirectly helping me to make my life ease. I forgive for all my mistakes and I am living in the attitude of gratitude for all the blessings. I am counting all my blessings. I am dissolving all my negative energy. I am working very honest and sincere. Always I respond. I am completely healed. Ah. Mm. Continue the flow, observe the silence until you still. Continue, and while closing, rub your hand and put it on your face gently. Open your eyes.